Suppose if you are in Microsoft Windows computer, you know that this is the number 3 digit number 3, and suppose if you want to type this number 3 digit upside down, there is a method for doing this. You must go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see that this is the number lock key, so you must press this number lock. We have enabled the number lock key. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. You did not remove your finger. You must keep your finger in this alt key, and at the same time you must type here 8587. So after typing 8587, you can release your finger from this alt key. So look here, you can see that the number 3 have been come like this now. So you can try this in Microsoft Word in your Windows computer. For more videos, you can subscribe.